Today we're going to practice one of my favorite arm balances, Bhujapidasana. This pose is in the Ashtanga primary series and one that I practice often. It is one of my favorites, but it's not one of the first ones I learned. But as I've practiced it more and more, I have grown to love it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get into it, but before we move on, please make sure that you have warmed up or that you've done your yoga practice today. We never want to go into these arm balances with cold, unstretched muscles because that's just not fun, okay? So we're going to come to standing. Bring your feet apart, not super wide, just far enough apart that you can set up for your yoga squat. Bring your hands together at heart center. And then we're going to begin to sit back, coming into yogi squat, or as we call it, malasana. So for your malasana, we're going to hold this for a few breaths as we open our hips and begin to set up for Bhujapidasana. Your feet are flat on the mat. You want to try and keep your spine long and hold here. And when you're ready, we're going to take our hands. We're going to place them behind our feet, our fingertips coming to touch our heels. And then you're going to shift your weight back a little bit, bringing your hands flat and start to walk your feet closer to each other. So this might be as far as you go today, and that is totally okay. But if you're ready for the next step, you're going to begin to walk your feet towards each other, cross your ankles, lift your feet, shift your weight back, and now you're in Bhujapidasana. So this is one of my favorite poses in the Ashtanga primary series. Give it a few tries. If you don't get it today, it's totally okay because it is yoga practice, not yoga perfect. All right, I hope this little tutorial helped you. If you go ahead and do the pose, let me know, comment below, or tag me in a photo.